What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Sneaky Sneaks back with another video. And I'm just so happy right now because I wasn't able to get my hands on a pair of these right here. These are the Nike Air Raid OG. And when they re-released back in October, they sold out really fast. And I couldn't get my hands on a pair. And they restocked earlier this week. They restocked, I think it was Sunday or something like that. I saw these on Foot Locker, and I had to scoop up a pair. I was really wanting to get my hands on a pair of these, and I'm just happy to have them in the collection. The Nike Air Raid is just classic, man. It's a classic shoe. It came out back in 1992, and I was around 8, 9 years old back then. And I can just remember the commercial back in the day with Spike Lee and Tim Hardaway. And this is just a classic sneaker, man, and it's just fire to me. I really like it, and happy to have them, man. You got your for outdoor use only on the back. Got some nice nubuck suede on the back. You got your Nike Air Raid. Got your Air Raid on the Velcro strap. You got your straps going across with that detailed stitching. Nice stitching on the straps. You got your black shoelaces. Got your mesh tongue. You got mesh on the tongue. And you got the nubuck with the Nike Air in silver. Really dope. Nice, decent leather. This shoe, I think this was the first Nike basketball shoe that you can play in outdoors. At the bottom it says for outdoor use only. And I believe this was the first Nike basketball shoe to ever come out, where you can play outdoors. It was like a outdoor basketball shoe. And I just like this design is just so nice, man. It's a really dope design. Somewhat similar to the Air Jordan 8, with the straps going across and this little circle part right here. And the side is really somewhat similar to the Air Jordan 8. These actually came out before the Air Jordan 8. These came out back in 1992. The Air Jordan 8 released in 93. But, this is just a classic sneaker, man. Back in the day when I was a kid, I can remember, just wanting a pair of these. I actually had the all black pair back in the day. When I was a kid, I had the all black pair. I don't think that pair has ever been retroed, but I hope they bring those back out because that'd be nice. Those were fire back in the day. But this is the colorway that I've always wanted. It's the best color in the Air Raid. It's the original color, so it's a must-have for any OG sneakerhead. Anybody that grew up in the 90s, that grew up in that era. You remember these. Like, this is a shoe back in the day that everybody remembers, and it's just a must-have, man. You got your Nike down here with your nice bottom. For sizing, I think true to size is the way to go. They fit really snug, so go true to size, and you can either go up half a size as well. You know, if you have a wide foot. I don't recommend going down half a size. I don't recommend going down at all because, you know, they fit really snug. So just go with your true size. But nothing else, you know, really to talk about. I'm going to go ahead and throw these on foot for y'all. So y'all stay tuned. Peace. I want to thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a video of mine. Until next time, guys, y'all be blessed.